Okay, hello everybody. Now, today I'll be showing you guys something truly awe-inspiring, something really revolutionary that I have discovered. So, we all know that popular game called Minecraft, right? Yeah, of course. Everyone knows what Minecraft is. Great game. I love Minecraft. Now, there's this concept in Minecraft called the hunger bar. There is one, right? Yes, there is indeed a hunger bar right here. Now, when you haven't eaten in a long time in Minecraft, your hunger bar goes down. So that means that you have lesser hunger. Now, in order to fill up this hunger bar, you eat food. What is the definition of hunger? A feeling of discomfort or weakness caused by a lack of food coupled with the desire to eat. So hunger is almost like the essence of feeling hungry. But when we eat food, we're filling up our hunger bar. So we're giving ourselves more hunger. So doesn't that make us more hungry even though we're eating food?